guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching my new video. Today's video, I had such a good day. I'm full of energy, as you can see. I'm hyped up. I've been trying new products today, like a first impression video. I am super impressed with the products that I've used. I'm like a little shocked, a little blown away by it. So if you guys are curious on what I use and what my opinion is about these products, then keep on watching. And you can already see from how snatched I look today. It's been a long time since I tried something new and got really impressed after that, to be completely honest. So I've been in my comfort zone maybe for a little too long, and I've tried the same products over and over again just because I know that they do work on me and I don't want to risk not looking so pretty, you know. In today's video, it's all about new products. I have Sigma, we have Zoeva, we have NARS, Clinique, Benefit, and probably some other stuff as well. We're going to start with primer. This is the Hydrate Primer from Benefit. I haven't tried this one. This is the professional, but then like the hydrating version. I'm not a huge fan of the professional just because I have a feeling that, I don't know, it's just not my thing. I do like, obviously I like everything that minimizes pores and gives like a blur effect, but I don't like the texture and the structure of the professional primer. But I haven't tried the hydrating one yet. By the way, if you see my nails, I think everyone can relate, but they look freaking awful right now. Quarantine life, okay? So I'm just going to give them a break and do nothing with them because they're as thin as paper. Just going to apply this all over my face. Oh, there's a really nice, very subtle smell to it, which I really like. Kind of like citrusy, something like that. Feels good, but it feels good once you like apply it because it does feel hydrating. And now it feels very soft and smooth, but at the same time, not really sure if I like this feeling. It's like a dry smooth, but I like dewy smooth. And then we have another product. This is the Clinique Idea BB Gel. I just put this cartridge into this thing right here. And this is the serum number 2. So I believe this is like a hydrating one. This is basically a BB gel. So not a BB cream, but a BB gel. And I wanted to put this underneath my foundation, but I wanted to try this on its own as well. It looks grayish, bluish. Ooh, it's very liquidy. And I'm just going to apply this on the one side of my face just so we can hopefully see a difference. Feels really nice. Ooh, this looks very even. Doesn't look like it's giving me coverage, but at the same time, I do have a way more like an even skin tone on this side than on this side. So this is without, and this is with. This is perfect for those days where you don't want to wear anything, but you kind of want to look fresh and healthy. Also, like if you're going to the gym, which sounds a little unrelatable right now. But I feel like this is a good product. I probably wouldn't feel guilty wearing this to the gym because I don't feel like it's makeup. It kind of is, but it's more skincare than makeup, I think. My lips are so dry. Get a lip balm real quick. So bougie from Armani, Giorgio Armani. Not my fave, actually. I don't think it comes close to the tinted moisturizer from Laura Mercier. That one is way more hydrating. It's way more glowy, and it's yeah, it's actually really dewy and more on top of your skin. And whereas this one is just really your skin, basically. So I don't feel like I'm wearing anything. So yeah, this is definitely no makeup. Moving on to the eyes, I'm going to use the Sigma Corderosa. It's probably like Corderosa palette. And I remember the blush is named Corderosa as well from Sigma. But now they have a palette and I think it looks so spring summery. I think we're going for a warm look today. I haven't done a warm look in a while. Yeah, these are the colors. And then we have this brush as well. Love Sigma brushes. They are the best. Okay, so we have like a flat brush and a blending brush on the other side. I'm going to start using Medallion, which is this beautiful warm burnt orange color. Wow, this is really, really pigmented. Okay, so this doesn't have to be perfect, so I'm just going to blend the edges of the shadow. I also did my brows a little differently today. I feel like I say that in every video. I went more for the Asian brow, which is a little bit more straight looking and doesn't have like an arch right here, but I probably will hate it in 2 months from now. As you guys know, I love applying eyeshadow right here to create a little bit more depth. Taking a more fluffy brush, but still using the same color. This is the Jaclyn Hill Morphe brush in 36. And I'm going to create this like airbrushed effect. So it's going to be the first layer of our eyeshadow. So I'm still using the same brush, and I think I'm going in with Shakespeare, which is a really nice berry color. That one right there. And I'm going to darken up my crease just a little bit with this, especially on the outer corners of my eyes. So a little berry moment. Okay, I need a smaller brush for this. This is the BH Cosmetics brush in number 9. And I'm just going to blend the edges. And at the same time, I'm bringing this color a little bit more inward. This is a beautiful eyeshadow with a beautiful rose in it. And it's like a pastel, pinky, mauvey kind of color. And I'm just going to put a little bit of that right here, so everything blends really nicely with each other. I think I'm going in with this beautiful campfire color, which is this one. It's not too warm. You have another one, which is this beautiful copper kind of color. But I'm going to try this one first, and if it's not warm enough, we can always go back in with the warmer copper shade. I actually really love this color. Wow, this color is stunning. It's not too shimmery or too glittery. It's just like in between. And then taking my Makeup Addiction brush, this is like a small angle brush. I've used this for my brows as well. I'm going in with Bare Root, that one. I'm just going to place this right above my lash line. So I haven't received a new foundation, so I'm just going to quickly apply my own foundation. I hope the BB gel is not going to come off, because if I put a little bit pressure on my skin, you can see some flakiness coming off, which I really don't like. So let's see if that happens, and then we are going to try out some new products. So far, really loving the palette, but I didn't really expect anything else from Sigma, to be honest. So yeah, just going to jam on some music right now and apply my foundation. I think the foundation shade is maybe like half a shade too dark. Yeah, half a shade. But I think we can make it work with concealer. But I just want to, now I can really see the effect of this primer that we've used. It is so blurring. Like, I can't see any visible pore. It looks so good, and so as if I've used a little bit of Facetune. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this looks really blurring to me. And now with the foundation on, I can really see the effect of this primer. I don't think it was a good idea to put the BB gel on the primer though, but I hope that this primer is not going to break me out. If not, this is going to be such a good primer. I am in love with the effect of this, and on pictures, I think it's just going to look, you know, wow. I've received these Zoeva concealers. These are the Authentic Skin Perfector Retouch Concealer. I really like Zoeva. I think they deserve a little bit more recognition. I'm not sure if it's available like everywhere. Let me know if Zoeva is available in your country, but I think it's officially a German brand, if I'm not wrong. Okay, so I think I'm going to use the darker one first. This is the 170 in Live. We need a lighter color later on. I'm just going to try to cover up a little redness around my nose. I've also received this brush that we're going to use for our concealer. I'm here for this shape. I love how this is designed. Let's see how covering this is. Wow. Wow, this much coverage. Woo! Living for this. Makes my heart so happy. Really nice concealer. This is 160 in Legit. A bit of this on my forehead and on my chin. The brush is also really comfortable. Like, the hairs are a little compact, so really make sure that the coverage is all like in one place and doesn't really spread out the concealer like crazy. This is full coverage, but honestly, my skin with this foundation, this primer, it looks so second skin-like, even if that's hard to believe, but it looks like blurring. I haven't received any new contour products. I'm just going to use my Huda Beauty, which doesn't look so pretty anymore, the Tantour in Fair, and I'm quickly going to, you know, contour this face. So I've also received this palette, and this looks freaking gorgeous. This is the NARS Cheek palette in Hot Fix. So I swatched this really quickly on my hand. The highlighters look amazing. I'm going in with the highlighters first, so hopefully we have like a beautiful warm glow above my brows. Wow, this looks really nice. And you know, the primer makes everything look so much more beautiful because everything you put on top of your skin looks really blurring, very skin-like. This highlighter, insane. Look at this beautiful glow. It's like glass skin. I'm not a huge fan of those looks with like super bright highlighter anymore, but when it looks like this, I'm all in again. We also have really nice blushes. One is a little bit more peachy, the other one's a little bit more pinkish. And you guys know I'm a Libra, so I have to mix those two because I cannot choose, okay? I'm going to use this Morphe 501 brush. It's actually a highlighter brush, but I love how this is going to give this like a airbrushed look. Ooh, color looks stunning. Actually, everything I put on my face today is really nice. Wasn't expecting that. A little bit on the nose. I know we've already put on a little bit of highlighter, but I cannot not use this. This is also from Zoeva. This is the Visionary Light in Surreal, and it looks absolutely surreal. Multi-use face powder. This is interesting. I need to touch my eyelids like this real quick. Okay, and I need to touch. What the hell? Stunning. What did I actually say about putting on too much highlighter? I just wanted to try. It's like a first impression video, so you know. I feel like it's almost a dupe for the Natasha Denona highlighter, but this one is a little bit more, it's a little bit more chunky. It's not chunky, but it's a little bit more in comparison with, I don't know. I did receive a lot of lip products, so I didn't really know what to use. Obviously, you know, I wanted to use something nude. So we have NARS ones. I do have lipstick from Inglot. So I thought, you know what, I'm going in with the NARS ones, but I'm going to use the lip liner from Inglot, which is the Color Play lip liner in 333. Now, this is not going to work. I personally am not a huge fan of lip liners that are too smooth and buttery. If you are, you know, like a little mature and you don't want to have like a very visible lip liner, you can wear something like this. I really like this one from Morphe, for example, but this is too dark for today's look. I also have this one. This is also like an automatic lip liner, which I'm usually not a fan of, but this is a Dose of Colors Truffle lip liner, and I actually really like this one. So, because this one is not so buttery. Okay, so eventually I've used the MAC Real lip liner, but I'm going to blend it a little bit to make it look more natural. Then I'm going in with this nude liquid lip lacquer in Young Hearts from NARS. Oh, smells amazing. Color is really nice. So using the same palette, I'm quickly going to finish off the rest of my eye. Basically smoking it out a little. This is the first color that we've used on our eyes. So I'm going to curl my lashes, apply some mascara and some powder, and then we're finished with this look. I did receive a new mascara actually, from Maybelline, I think, with the purple label on it. I was not a huge fan. I was not a fan at all, so I really didn't like that one. So I'm just going to stick to my favorite mascara, which is also from Maybelline, but this is the Lash Sensational Mascara. Maybe apply some falsies, and then I'll be right back to show you the result and pose a little. you know. This is the final look. I'm actually accidentally matching a little bit with my t-shirt. We had a good day today. I feel like we had a really good day, really good products. I don't think there was a product I didn't really like. There's just like the lip liner from Inglot, but that's just a little bit personal because I know that a lot of people like those lip liners that are a little bit more buttery and smooth. That's just like personal, but it's not bad products at all. Yeah, I actually really liked everything that I've used today. The only thing that I wouldn't do again is like put the BB gel over the primer, because basically the BB gel is, I think, a little bit more skincare than makeup. So putting skincare on top of primer is probably not a good thing to do. Other than that, I'm super happy with the primer because it blurs out everything I put on my face and it made my base look so much better. So I'm definitely going to use that more often. The only thing is I hope that, you know, it doesn't break me out. I'll keep you guys updated in the comment section down below. The eyeshadow palette is gorgeous. The Zoeva highlighter is extremely gorgeous. The NARS palette is beautiful. I love the liquid lip lacquer. Loaded lip lacquers from NARS, they are gorgeous. Not only the shades, but also like sometimes I use like 3 products to get this effect. It's like a beautiful liquid lipstick, but sometimes it can be a little too matte, and then you put like a gloss or a balm on top of that and you'll get this. So I think the formula couldn't be better. It's beautiful. I hope you guys liked this video and enjoyed watching it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, you can give it a thumbs down. I hope you find this video helpful. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell if you don't want to miss any of my other videos. And I would also really love it if you guys would follow me on Instagram as well. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in the comment section. Bye.